Software Alliance Wales is a £13 million pan-Wales European Convergence Area funded project. It's aimed at expanding and developing the ICT and software industries in the convergence areas of Wales. The project aims to create a network of software developers and companies, enabling them to collaborate in what is an ever-expanding and developing technology sector. Software Alliance Wales has four main themes: continuous professional development, business workshops, company accreditation and student development projects. We have a planned programme of training that will provide individuals with cutting-edge skills in technology and ICT. The Continuous Professional Development Programme is supported by and developed in conjunction with the British Computer Society.
Continuing professional development is very important for a software development professional because we're in an industry where things are changing yearly, weekly, even on a daily basis. And so if you want to know what's happening, you've got to be out there and investing some of your time in seeing what it is going to affect you in the future. And what Software Alliance Wales is doing, both through monthly seminars and in these in-depth CPD sessions, is providing companies in Wales with what they need.
This course gave us the opportunity to be able to learn some new technologies to help develop our business and keep us at the forefront of technology and software applications.
Our customers have ideas to expand their websites into these areas using mobile technology, so they know what they want. This course has given me the confidence and the ability to know exactly how we can pinpoint the technologies that we need to provide for them.
And really what we're trying to do is in Wales get enough companies that there's a mass of people who know about these things and can share it with each other.
Yes, I would be interested in coming on more courses with the Software Alliance Wales, because the continuing professional development side of things is something that it's difficult to do when you're working 9 to 5, Monday to Friday. You're aware of these things happening, but to be able to come here or wherever the courses are offered and do an in-depth study of new emerging technologies is perfect for us. It really fits well.
If Software Alliance Wales can continue to deliver the quality of course that we've experienced this week, the programme should be very successful. As a business, if we can access this quality training, it's going to allow us to grow and flourish and be competitive in the industry.
Business workshops provide taster opportunities for companies to sample and find out about new trends, ideas and developments in software and ICT that can benefit their business.
The workshops held by Software Alliance Wales are a great opportunity to bring together businesses from all different areas so that they can share experiences around ICT and software topics. These workshops that Software Alliance Wales work in is just one area that they're covering, and I think it's just what local SMEs need.
The project has already put in place a programme of business workshops over the next few months that companies can benefit from.
Just knowing that there's support out there if you need it is really reassuring for businesses across Wales.
The project also enables companies to participate in an accreditation scheme run by Accredit UK. Accreditation gives an opportunity for a company to show it meets high standards and gives confidence to its customers. Accreditation is going to become increasingly important in the ICT and software industries, and this project will enable them to get ahead of the game.
M7 Managed Services is in the IT managed services business. The business has a data centre based here in Cynghrair, where we host a number of applications for our customers, and from that, the experience that we have in hosting them, we also then provide those services out to the customer on their own site in their own data centre. What we recognise is technically we're very competent. I think what the Software Alliance Wales programme gives us is a certification about the competence of our business as opposed to just the technology that we provide.
One of the important things to us, and more importantly to people who use the Accredit UK standard, is knowing that it's a standard they can trust and rely upon. The standard's been designed by SMEs, for SMEs, all the while within the framework of national standards, and that's being guided by national bodies such as British Standards Institution and Intellect, sitting on our National Advisory Board. The end result is a standard which meets the needs of SMEs, but which is accepted by the community as a leading business standard.
At jamescash.co.uk we provide managed IT services to small businesses, predominantly within the West Midlands area. After going through the certification, we found we had a business that we felt was very scalable. Processes and systems in place that enabled us to delegate work within the business and really grow our business at a rapid scale.
What we'd liked with the Software Alliance Wales programme was the opportunity to achieve a certification that we hope is going to be recognised here in Wales, that would say M7 are a good company to do business with if you're looking for IT services in Wales.
Thanks to going through the Accredit UK standard, clients have a much higher level of trust in us to deliver a highly professional level of service to them. Internally, we've also got higher levels of confidence that we can go for much larger opportunities within the public sector and the commercial world as a result of the work that we've done with Accredit UK.
We believe that Accredit UK certification offers small businesses the best chance to prove their value and their expertise, and we're delighted to be working with Software Alliance Wales to make this available to small businesses within the region.
Student development projects are about collaboration between universities and industry. They allow transfer of knowledge from universities to industry, and also they allow industry the opportunity to try new ideas.
We're working on a very technical project, and we really don't have time to bring people in and train them up. And using Software Alliance Wales, we were able to accelerate the project by bringing in a really good graduate who hit the ground running and really got this project moving swiftly. And we are actually seeing some benefits immediately, commercially, and also in the academic world, which is an area we really want to get into.
The project I'm working on is to do with generating test data. Test data is very important in terms of getting high quality software once it's released to the market. An example of why test data is important is when companies have contacted customers in error because of a system failure. Had the companies, when developing the software, had access to the sort of data that we're aiming to create, their software engineers would better been able to prepare for such a situation and make sure the software can cope with it correctly.
Thanks to the Software Alliance Wales, we could set up this project together with Hue and Grid Tools, and it really is helpful because it gets Daniel enthusiastic about the subject of computer science in principle in general, and he sees that the things that we are teaching him here, more on the theoretical side, have actually their practical industrial application.
The reality is that it's really a two-way street, this. We are getting immediate benefit in terms of getting a good graduate being able to do something tangible for us, but we think we're also bringing something from the real world back into academia, and I think the combination of the two is really where the power of this comes.
Software Alliance Wales is a unique opportunity for ICT and software professionals and companies across Wales to expand and develop. It will also promote Wales as a key driving force in software development.